In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate an image just using two tools. I'll use ChatGPT and another tool. Maybe you have an image like this one and you'll wish to remove the watermark, or perhaps it does not have the watermark, but you just want to recreate it. I'll show you how we can recreate this image so that we get a similar image from a new creation but without a watermark. Now, to begin, we shall use ChatGPT, and what we need to do here is just to upload the image with the watermark first. And to do so, just click on the image file here for us to attach the image file, and then click on it and then select the source of your image, and then it will take me direct to my computer, and then select the location of the image and choose it. Now, the next thing we need to do is to ask ChatGPT to give us a prompt that we can use to get a similar image. So let's say, write for me an image prompt for the same image. So I've just asked ChatGPT to write for us an image prompt for this image, or I can just say for this image. For this image, write for me an image prompt for this image, and then click on generate. And it has done exactly that. The skin tone is black, and ChatGPT didn't make that mention in the prompt. So I'll just go ahead and ask ChatGPT to make the model African. And here we go. So African woman has been added. Now that we have our image prompt, now let's go to the next tool that will help us generate the same model or the same image but without the watermark. So this tool is Image FX. So this is the tool I'm talking about, and the website is labs.google. We have two, this and the other one. So take the one with the purple fever icon, is the website that I'm looking for. So we shall go ahead and then click on it to open. So go ahead and sign in to get started. So now that we are here, we shall just go ahead and paste our prompt here, and then this tool will generate our image. So I'll take the prompt. Let me copy the prompt and then paste it here. And here we go. It is ready. The next thing you need to do before you generate your image is to choose the aspect ratio. So this is 16:9. Now, once you're done, we shall click on create and see if this tool will be able to come up with exact image as the one we gave ChatGPT. And within a moment, our creation should be done. And look at that. Wow. Wow. This is super cool. Look at that. This is mind-blowing. So to download our images, just click on download here, and then go to the next image and do the same. Next image, the same. So I've just downloaded all of them. This tool just did a great job. Now, as you can see our images here, they do not have watermarks as the original image. And I think this is good. So if you want to recreate your image, this is the best tool you can use, and you'll get the best results out of your image. So let me know in the comment section, which tool do you use to recreate your images? If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.